Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to delete a file from the Dropbox in the Node.js. What we have done in the last three videos, we have uploaded a file to the Dropbox. We have downloaded that files in the Dropbox. Now we are going to delete a file from the Dropbox. Okay, so let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's see how we are going to delete that file. So here we have the delete file function to delete a file from the Dropbox. So here we need to Dropbox file path we have to mention. So here we go. I'm going to delete this file from the Dropbox. Let's open this. Okay, this is our file. So let's copy and paste this and add the file path over there. Okay, okay, done. Let's try to run this. Node delete Dropbox file deleted. And if I go and just check here, you can see automatically shifted to the new another file. Let's have a look. Here you can see the file is deleted. If I just try to go with this one file also, if I just copy and paste this also, right, save this and try to just rerun, and it is deleted. Here you can see the file is changed. Okay, here you can see that, right? So this is how you can delete a file, any file from the Dropbox with the help of this, right? And what we have to do only, function to delete a file from the Dropbox, delete file, Dropbox file path, tpx file, delete v2, just path of the Dropbox file, file deleted, and if something goes wrong, it will go to the error block. Okay, very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.